Well, guys, I am back. Well, today I decided I want to have some cheesecake. So I'm making my recipe. Guys, I usually buy when the mall where you made the cheesecake, it's made with graham crackers. Well, I didn't feel like going out there because let me tell you guys, I don't want to sound brutal, but it's hotter than hell out there. It is hot, and the humidity 100%. But anyways, guys, I'm just being funny. I made my own crust, and I figure might as well record this and share it with you guys. So I'm going to use this video for quick and easy meal. It's every Sunday at 7 p.m. hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Buckeye Girls, Wrist and Thin, and baby myself, Deborah Cabassa Home Living. So guys, I made my own crust, which is very simple. All-purpose flour, um, sugar to your taste, butter, and I put vanilla because I want my crust to taste like vanilla for the bottom of the cheesecake. So I already have it here. So that's when I decided, might as well record. So I still haven't poked any holes in it. What you're going to do is, you're going to take a fork and you're just going to make some, with the fork for when it bake. You're going to bake this first. You're going to bake it until it's nice and golden brown. So we're going to do this. We're going to put it in the oven. And guys, like I said, this is every Sunday. So share your meals. It could be a smoothie, a dessert. It could be a meal. I've been sharing a lot of, well, not really, desserts. And one of my subscribers asked me, you eat all these sweets, but you stay thin. Guys, you could eat anything you want. Just make sure that you work out. I mean, you're not going to eat sweets all the time and not work out, you know? So, yeah, guys, I always say you can eat whatever you want. I try to eat healthy, but once in a while, it's good to treat yourself. So, I'm going to do this. I'm going to put it in the oven. The oven, I have it 350 degrees, depending your oven. So, I'll be right back. Okay, guys? All right, guys. I'm showing you the simplest cheesecake recipe that you can do. I mean, it's the simplest and fastest. You're only going to be using 5 ingredients, which they are right here, except of course your crust. So I'm using 1 can of the condensed milk, 1 can of your choice, whatever brands you like. 1 can of evaporated milk. I'm using the store brand. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a block of cream cheese, and 5 eggs. You're going to put everything in your blender. You're going to mix it. I am going to do that. I'm going to be doing that right now. It calls for the cream cheese and the eggs to be at room temperature, but it don't matter. I have never done it, and it still works just the same. Like I said, just add your ingredients to the blender. You could use whatever cream you like. I am using the store brand. To me, it does not matter. So there you go, guys. You got the cream cheese, the 5 eggs. I'm going to add the yeah, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. There you go. And of course the milk. Once I start mixing it, I'm going to pause you guys because you guys don't need to hear this whole racket. So I'm going to add that there. I'm going to add the sweet milk and I'll be right back. Okay, guys? All right, guys, it's mixed together. The crust is baked. So we're just going to put it in your mold. I don't know if you guys can see me. And we're going to put it in the oven and we're going to bake it for 45 minutes at 350 degrees. Yep, 350 degrees. So guys, when it's baked, I'm gonna come right back at you and show you what it looks like. Well guys, I haven't done my cheesecake in this apartment since I moved in here, and let me tell you, instead of 45 minutes, it took an hour and 20 minutes. Okay, so make sure that depending your oven, because this is a small oven, it's not like a regular one of those big ovens that we usually have. So this is a tiny little stove. So anyways, let's see what it looks like. That's what it's looking like, guys. Nice and golden brown. I'm going to use the toothpick method. So let's see. Okay, that's done. But I like my cheesecake to be a little bit more brown. Let's see. I'm gonna leave it for another maybe 15 minutes. I want it to be a little bit more golden brown. So when that happens, another 15-20 minutes, then I'm gonna come right back with you guys. I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit and then I'm going to show you. It's very simple, guys. It's a very simple cheesecake recipe. All right, guys, I'll be right back as soon as it's done. Well, guys, there it is, my homemade cheesecake. What I'm going to do, I'm going to let it rest for a little bit. Then I'm going to take it out of the mold. Yeah, guys, it smells so good. I wish you guys can smell this. It smells absolutely delicious. As you guys can see, it's putting this inside. You can have this with strawberry jams on the top, put caramel sort on it, chocolate, however you like. That's why I like to do a plain cheesecake, because I could eat it with anything that you want. And also you can use, the ice cream toppers. They have pineapple, strawberry. You can use those and put it on the top of the piece that you're going to eat, and everybody that wants a piece of cheesecake could choose whatever topping they want. So guys, I'm going to take it out of the mold and I'll be right back. Okay, guys? I don't know if I was recording. So it came out of the oven. What do you guys think, guys? So I'm going to let it cool down. I don't know if I say this and it record or not, but you can have this with the ice cream toppers that they have, like pineapple, caramel, chocolate, strawberry. That's why I like to do it plain, so everybody can choose whatever topping they would like. Or you can have it with fresh strawberries, blueberries, or pie blueberries, the pie filling, the blueberries, the strawberries, the pie filling, apple pie, any topping that you want, guys. So I'm going to take it out of the mold and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Well, guys, it's done. It's cooled down. So I cut a little slice and let's serve it. Oh, yes, guys. Look at that consistency. Nice, delicious cheesecake. And let's give it a try. I hope you guys like it, guys. I will leave you guys the recipe in the description box below. Yes. Mm-mm-mm. All I need is a little scoop of vanilla ice cream. No, no ice cream because this is not cake. But I'm going to put some caramel on the top and I'm going to enjoy my cheesecake. But guys, I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile overall. Stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you and Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Guys, you guys got to give this a try. It is absolutely delicious. Bye bye.